Welcome to today's video, where we're taking you on an exciting journey through Ikea Singapore, the newest and most talked about furniture destination in town. But that's not all, we'll also be exploring some hidden gems and fun activities in the area around Ikea. Trust me, you won't want to miss a moment of this adventure, so stay tuned until the very end for some surprises along the way. Ikea Singapore is more than just a furniture store, it's a cultural icon and a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. Situated in the heart of the city, Ikea Singapore offers a unique shopping experience that combines affordability, style, and practicality, making it a go-to spot for anyone looking to furnish their home with contemporary designs. One of the standout features of Ikea Singapore is its vast range of products. From sleek Scandinavian-style furniture to innovative home accessories, Ikea caters to a wide variety of tastes and needs. Whether you're furnishing a cozy HDB flat or a spacious landed property, you'll find everything you need under one roof. The store's layout is designed to inspire, with showrooms that present fully furnished rooms to help you visualize how the pieces can work together in your own home. Ikea Singapore is known for its commitment to sustainability. The store offers a variety of eco-friendly products, from energy-efficient lighting solutions to furniture made from sustainably sourced materials. Additionally, Ikea Singapore has initiatives in place to promote recycling and reduce waste. For example, customers can bring in their used light bulbs and batteries for safe disposal, and the store also offers a buyback service for gently used furniture, encouraging a circular economy. Beyond furniture, Ikea Singapore is also famous for its food. The in-store restaurant is a popular spot for visitors, offering a range of Swedish-inspired dishes at affordable prices. The iconic Swedish meatballs, served with lingonberry sauce and mashed potatoes, are a must-try. For those with a sweet tooth, the restaurant also offers a variety of desserts, including the famous almond cake and cinnamon buns. The food court is spacious and family-friendly, making it a great place to take a break during your shopping trip. What sets Ikea Singapore apart from other furniture stores is its focus on the overall customer experience. The store is designed to be family-friendly, with play areas for children, making it easy for parents to shop while their kids are entertained. The IKEA Family Loyalty Program offers members exclusive discounts, free coffee or tea during visits, and other perks, enhancing the shopping experience. Another highlight of IKEA Singapore is its proximity to other fun attractions. Located in bustling districts, it's easy to combine a trip to IKEA with visits to nearby malls, parks, or other points of interest. For instance, the Alexandra outlet is close to Queensway Shopping Centre, known for its sports goods, while the Tampines store is situated near Tampines Mall, a hub of retail and dining options. In conclusion, Ikea Singapore is more than just a store, it's a destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking to revamp your home, enjoy a tasty meal, or simply spend a day out with family, Ikea Singapore has it all. Its blend of affordable, stylish furniture, sustainability initiatives, and a focus on customer experience makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to create a beautiful and functional living space. IKEA Singapore's kitchen selection is designed to meet the needs of every home, combining style, functionality, and affordability. The heart of their kitchen offerings lies in the modular systems like the Method range, which allows for extensive customization to suit any space or design preference. From a variety of cabinets and storage solutions to different countertop materials, IKEA ensures that every kitchen can be tailored to both practical needs and aesthetic desires. Their selection of sinks and faucets emphasizes functionality and durability, while a range of energy-efficient appliances seamlessly integrates with their modular designs. Accessories and lighting options add the finishing touches, enhancing both the look and usability of the kitchen. For those who want expert assistance, IKEA's planning services help customers visualize and design their ideal kitchen. With a strong focus on sustainability, IKEA Singapore offers products that are built to last, sourced responsibly, and designed to reduce environmental impact. Overall, IKEA's kitchen selection provides everything needed to create a stylish, functional, and eco-friendly kitchen, making it a go-to destination for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking space. Queensway Shopping Centre is one of Singapore's iconic malls, known for its rich history and specialization in sports goods. Located near Ikea Alexandra, this mall has been a go-to destination for sports enthusiasts, bargain hunters, and those seeking unique finds since it first opened its doors in the 1970s. Directly across from Ikea Alexandra, Anchor Point is a cozy mall that features outlet stores from popular brands like Cotton On and Charles & Keith. It's a great place to find discounted fashion items, making it a favorite among bargain hunters.